Don't mess with me today. I am feeling very crafty and crotchety. Yes, I am at the Craft and Quilt Show at Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre, Victoria, Australia. Why do I make it a point to attend craft and quilt fairs? I'll give you 5 reasons. Number 1, if you happen to be into sewing, embroidery, quilting, machining, crafting, this is your one unique opportunity to find rare things. Say for example, left-handed scissors, cutting mats, rulers in different shapes, beads, baubles, ribbons and trims. This sewing machine, what do you think it is? It is a brooch, and I picked it up from Star Laces and Ribbons. I also picked up a set of 5 Japanese fans, aka buttons. You get to meet the makers and have a chat with them. Or you can join one of the numerous workshops and pick up a new skill.
I'd like to try this stuff, but you've done just a few of those.
Just a few. Frosted tongue curry. That's us. Yep. So we've got quite an extensive website, so you can go on there and find a lot of these things as well.
You get first-hand information from the various crafters' guilds, be it the Lace Makers Guild, the Embroiderers Guild, the Egg Makers, Decoupage, and the Calligraphy Associations. Just like the traditional artisan communities, the guilds and associations offer an opportunity to join a community of like-minded people with similar interests to share with and learn from.
Hello, I'm Faye. I'm a member of Decoupage Guild Australia. I'd like to tell you about our art form, which goes back to the 18th century, using paper cutouts glued to an object, varnished until the finish feels like silk. It's a fascinating craft. Please visit our website at www.decoupage.com.au. Thank you.
So is that the best place to find you, just in case? What kind of courses and what are the prices?
Well, we do have tutors
Yep.
who are also mentioned on our website, and you can contact them. And obviously they teach classes at different locations.
So do you also sell finished products, or do we have to make everything ourselves?
Some people sell, but most of us don't.
I know. You get attached to your creations, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. You get very attached, yes, you do.
That'll be lovely for a milliner.
Yes, I know. I've had a number of people say, can they use my ideas? And I said, please do. every fourth Saturday of the month at Gardenvale, and we meet from 10 in the morning till about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Once every second month we have a guest speaker, and we talk on lots of different projects or topics. And the other meeting is just a get-together day. We have a library. So what we're getting people to do here is just this little fishy. So it's just a very simple piece with colours so that they can see which way the threads move. And it's been fun. We finished one little fishy and I've started another one.
This requires a lot of concentration.
Not so much once you've got the pattern in your head. I find the challenge is working out where things go to and from, and then the rest is just practice. I've got to the stage now I don't want any more doilies. I don't want any more handkerchiefs. So I've started to make modern lace with things like brooches, earrings, scarves, anything that has a purpose.
Going to put a bit more colour in there. Hello. Hello. If you're interested in having a bookmark, just write your name on the...
Thank you. And your name, please, and where do they get in touch with you?
My name's Deirdre.
Yeah.
And
if they want to learn calligraphy?
The Calligraphy Society of Victoria.
Learn with Samita is about handcrafted and artisan made, but we do not deny the convenience, the speed, and the precision of new technology. Okay, yep, that's fine.
So this is a electric rotary cutter. As you can see, this one is cordless and rechargeable. These are great for when you need to cut large amounts of fabric, or for example, if you just have it on the table. Really good because it glides along the table. You then don't need to pick it up, which is beneficial if you're suffering from arthritis, carpal tunnel. Then we've also got here the little handheld portable one. Again, this rests on the table, so it protects the table and you just slide along. They've all got safety locks on them so you don't cut yourself, as well as little LED lights so you can see exactly where you're cutting. And as you can see, this is quite thick leather. Nice and easy. And the best part is too, these also self-sharpen, so you won't have to worry about a blunt blade.
So is this for any kind of fabric? Like
look, it can be like for the thinnest
chiffons.
So all your top poplin, all that sort of stuff.
Yep.
All the way up to like your leather,
Yep.
Belt buckles and all that sort of stuff. And even cardboard in factories.
Right, and even knitwear, like knitted fabric?
Yeah, definitely. So the blades, like I said, they self-sharpen.
Yep.
So the best part is they're always sharp. And
And they've got a safeguard and they have a light.
They do, yes. And they're, like I said, cordless, which is quite handy. You don't run the risk of accidentally chopping it off your cord.
Sure.
Comes with a charger, bits and pieces. And yeah, they're fresh in Australia.
What's your website or contact?
So we are sofixonline.com.au. We're located in Carrum Downs, Melbourne.
You get to see some examples of exquisite craftsmanship. Coming up in the next video, the hows and whys of quilting. See some mind-blowing examples of handcrafted quilts. Talk to quilt makers and quilting tutors. A bit of trivia for you. Learn with Samita has been declared a finalist in the Podcast of the Year category at the Osmompreneur 2022 Awards. Thank you. Followers, likers and subscribers, keep the Learn with Samita buzz going. We need and value your support. Till next time, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now.